Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you reasons why Litecoin can see a break above the $100 mark ahead of the Litecoin halving event, and also discuss a chart pattern that we have here on the charts. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And starting the video by sharing the Litecoin halving countdown, you can see that we have 4 days, 22 hours and 13 minutes at the time of this recording to the next Litecoin halving event, which is an event that I'm expecting will bring about a lot of volatility in the market. And getting back to the charts to give you my technical analysis, at the time of this recording, Litecoin is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And by first discussing the chart pattern that we have on the charts, we have a triangle that has been in formation on the charts, where you can see that we have this descending trend line and this horizontal area of support. And as a result of these two lines, we have this nice triangle on the charts, where you can see that the price of Litecoin has continued to push to the apex of the triangle until yesterday, when we saw the breakout to the upper side. And you can see that after seeing the breakout to the upper side, we have seen a number of 4-hour candlesticks close above that horizontal, that is that descending trend line that we have here on the chart. And the moment we are able to close above our key area of resistance at around the $91.35 mark, then from that point we can expect the breakout to play out to the upper side and also fully maximize our minimum target areas, which can be given by the height of this triangle. So using a trend line, we can be able to get that height, place it at the area of the breakout to get a minimum target area for the breakout at around the $110.98 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Litecoin to do in the next few days once we continue gearing up and see a break above significant areas of resistances. Litecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 14th of June at around the $70.69 mark, we started gearing up impulsively in the obeying the Elliot structures, where we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 gave us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And since we have fully maximized this target area, there are high chances that soon we are going to see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level that is 1.618, and that is at around the $160.57 mark. And that is the minimum that I can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. So soon I'm expecting to see a reaction of this target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. And the moment we also see the breakout to the upper side, that is fully maximizing our minimum target areas for this chart pattern, that will be assisting Litecoin to continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. Alternatively, in case we don't see again an increase in momentum to continue gearing up here on the charts, maybe we can expect a bit of a pullback to our trend line here on the charts, and we can find support at that descending trend line that I have here on the charts, maybe giving us a retest of that trend line before we can continue gearing up impulsively once more in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the Litecoin chart ahead of the Litecoin halving event. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 54 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.